Welcome to the future of artisanal excellence. At UltraLuxusClub, we believe that tradition doesn't have to be lost in the age of technology, it has to be perfected. It starts with molecular precision. Every grain is analyzed to ensure the highest nutritional value and flavor profile. Our fermentation process is monitored by AI sensors, guaranteeing the perfect rise and texture every single time. Human error is replaced by robotic grace, firing each loaf in futuristic stone ovens to achieve the legendary golden crust. This is more than just bread. This is the intersection of science and soul. This is the future of taste.